How to scan QR code on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can scan a QR code on our Discord mobile. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to scan a QR code on your Discord mobile app, it is very simple to do so. Launch the Discord app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the gear icon, which is located at the top right hand side of the screen again. Now when you've done that, you'll find several options from the Settings tab. Under it, if you look, you'll find an option that says Scan QR Code. So all you have to do now is tap on Scan QR Code, allow the camera permission if it asks you to, then simply scan the QR code for the Discord login if you want to. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.